Hey friends, if you wish to solve common printing problems on your Windows laptop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Then select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter and it will start fixing the problem with printers. The next solution will be as follows. Go to Bluetooth and devices, select printers and scanners. If you see your printer here, click on it and remove it and then click on add device. Let it be detected. It needs a while. And once it is detected, simply click on add device corresponding to your printer. So you're basically reinstalling the printer on your phone this way. Okay. The next solution will be to check the print spooler service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. I'll make it standard. This list is in alphabetical order, so you can scroll down to the print spooler service, right click on it, and then restart it. Okay, and the last one will be to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager, and then you can expand this list for printers here and then right click on it and update the drivers. This is all you can do from your end. And maybe in if the manufacturer has provided any CD or DVD or any set of drivers, then you can use that as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.